Welcome! If you want to keep your reading list synced across your Chrome mobile devices without syncing everything else, this guide is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable reading list sync only in Chrome mobile. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account in Chrome mobile. Now, let's get started. Open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Look to the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu icon. This brings up a list of options. From here, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you'll see your account details and various preferences. At the top of the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Sync. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you control what Chrome syncs between your devices. By default, Chrome might have Sync Everything turned on. Since we only want to sync the reading list, toggle off Sync Everything. This will reveal a list of individual items you can choose to sync. Scroll through the list until you find Reading List. Now, toggle on the switch next to Reading List. Make sure all other options remain off unless you want to sync them as well. That's it! You've now set Chrome Mobile to sync only your reading list. Any articles you save to your reading list will stay updated across your devices without syncing bookmarks, passwords, or other browsing data. If you ever want to adjust what gets synced, just return to the sync settings and toggle the options as needed. This gives you full control over your data and keeps your reading list accessible wherever you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy reading!